हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। पीछे हम वीडियो में आपको न्यूमेरिकल्स डिस्कस कर रहे थे, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल। सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू न्यूमेरिकल्स आफ्टर 10 अप टू 10 आई हैव डिस्कस, एंड टुडे आई एम गिविंग द सॉल्यूशन सम अदर न्यूमेरिकल्स फ्रॉम 11 to 15 approx. So that is question number 11. According to question, in the given figure, at which point on the line joining the charges will the electric potential and electric field be zero? According to figure, that is, this is the point charge, that is plus q, and another charge that is minus 3q, that is minus 3q, and these charges are separated by a distance of 1 meter. You have to calculate points on the line joining the charges where potential and electric field be zero. So first calculate electric field, because you have already studied in first chapter. To get the electric field on the line joining be zero, it is very clear to know that if charges be of opposite nature, अगर चार्जेस हमारे अपोजिट नेचर के हैं, then obviously it is very clear that neutral point, or you can say the point where electric field be zero, that will be outside the line joining the charges. मतलब जो न्यूट्रल पॉइंट हमारा होगा, that will be outside the line joining the charges. Never be inside the line joining charges. बीच में नहीं होगा. Clear? Where electric field is zero, this point will never be in between the line joining the charges, because charges are of opposite nature. Charges are of opposite nature. So where you take point here or here, so keep remember the charge whose magnitude is less. The charge whose magnitude is less, so here you select a point P here, that is at a distance of x from this charge. This is the point where intensity of electric field be zero. So due to plus q charge, intensity of electric field will be in this direction, and due to minus q charge, intensity of electric field will be in this direction, and this is the point where resultant intensity will be zero. Why minus sign is used? Because they are acting in opposite direction. So here, due to plus q charge, that is E1, so 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon x square minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 3q upon 1 plus x, because from minus 3q to p, that is 1 plus x whole square is equal to 0. Now 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught and q is common, so cancel out. So you have only 1 upon x square is equal to 3q upon 1 plus x square. Sorry, 3. Take square root on both sides. So 1 upon x is equal to under root 3 upon 1 plus x. So here, after solving, you calculate the value of x. This is part first. And here another question is here, find electric potential. So electric potential is a scalar quantity. So keep remember, the point where electric potential is zero on the line joining may be inside the joining charges and outside also. आउटसाइड भी हो सकता है, इनसाइड भी पूछा जाए, मतलब इनसाइड भी होगा. सो सपोज वी टेक द पॉइंट inside the charges. So here this is plus q and this is here minus 3q. This is 1 meter. Take point P. At this point your potential should be 0, that means V1 plus V2 is equal to 0. So this is x, so this becomes 1 minus x. Now potential due to plus q charge, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon, that is x, and though here plus but charge is negative, so write here minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 3q upon 1 minus is equal to 0. So again q upon 4 pi epsilon is common and becomes 0. So 1 upon x minus 3 upon 1 minus is equal to 0, or 1 upon x is equal to 3 upon 1 minus x. So that is 3x is equal to 1 minus x. Now x is equal to 1 by 4, that is 0.25 meter. So this is the distance at which electric potential is 0, and after solving this you get the value of x, and this is the point P where intensity of electric field be 0 due to this arrangement of charges. यानी कि ये चार्जेस का जो अरेंजमेंट दिया है उसके कारण कहाँ पे इंटेंसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड 0 होगी and where electric potential be 0. So this is about this question. Now go through another question here, that is question number from 12, 13, 14 and 15 are alike. So see the question number question number 13. 13 is the question number, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb charge is placed at each corner of square of side 2 root 2 meter. Calculate electric potential at its center. तो इसमें से जो अरेंजमेंट दे रखा है, that is in this way, this is your square, A, B, C and D. Each corner has charge 2 into 10 to power minus 6. That is 2 into 10 to power minus 6, 2 into 10 to power minus 6, and that is 2 into 10 to power minus 6, 2 into 10 to power minus 6, and its side is 2 root 2 because it is a square. You have to calculate potential at this point. The center of square will be the cross section of diagonals. These are the diagonals of the square, and the point where they intersect, this is the point of intersection, this is the center of this square. You have to calculate potential at this point. आपको इस पॉइंट पे क्या करना है, पोटेंशियल फाइंड आउट करना है. सो हियर यू हैव टू नो डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम A to O, B to O, C to O and D to O. Keep remember all the distances are equal. Since diagonals are equal, so the point where intersecting point to each corner OC, OA, OD and OB will be equal. So here first calculate AC is equal to BD, that is 2 root 2 into root 2, side root 2. This becomes 4 meter. Now OA, OB, OC and OD, that is 4 by 2, that is 2 meter. So each charge is at a distance of 2 meter from each corner. मतलब हर चार्ज जो है सेंटर से 2 मीटर की डिस्टेंस पे. Each charge is at a distance of 2 meter from each corner from the center. So here since each charge has same magnitude, So it is not necessary to calculate one by one. You calculate potential due to one charge. एक चार्ज के द्वारा जो पोटेंशियल यहाँ डेवलप हो रहा है, you calculate it, and each charge has same nature, that means positive and same magnitude. So very easily you calculate potential due to one charge at the center and then multiply it by 4. So V is it 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q, that is 2 into 10 to power minus 6 upon 2. So this becomes 9 into 10 to power 9 into 10 to the power minus 6. So this becomes 9 into 10 to the power 3 volt. This is the potential, the charge placed at the corner A. What about the magnitude of this charge? This also has, this also has, this also has, and this is also same. So V2 is equal to 4 times of VA. So 4 into 9 into 10 to the power 3 into 36 10 to the power 3 volt. So you can calculate potential at the center. Similarly, up to 15 you try to solve. Students, if any problem, please you ask myself. So keep remembering, try the numericals, and if you have problem, you ask myself. Thank you.